realized till I actually put it on the sheet. Then I was like, okay. Even I did. I'm just having a chai now. After this, और मेरा तो संदीप के साथ one-on-one है just after this call. So yeah, same here. It's nice. 1 second. My husband going to the gym now, so he's just taking his camera.
Once again, हमारा room occupied. I have to come back to this room. Oh, by the way, last time when I was vlogging here, I realized while editing that there were some pictures in the background. I wanted to show you these pictures. My dad on the left, my mom on the right. This is my not great, he's my great grandfather. He literally lived up to like a proper healthy life, almost till 105. And then the second photo you see here is a cute Shriman, and that's my sister. And this is not a kid, that's a toy. Oh, one more thing, I have to show you. This toy is still there. You see this? It's still there, dude. You see that photo ka toy? Same toy. I even have my chota cars and all that. I'll make a separate vlog about that, right? Guess who is this? That's Dad, 1960, Mohan Studio. How about taking this to Naisha and taking her reaction? Yes, we'll do that. We preserved this doll for almost, I think, 30 years plus now. 30 years plus, aram se.
Mamo, taru vatte ana. Mama, teddy ba? Come, then you breathe down. Like that. Nana, let's come. Papa, baby. Papa, Ava. Kucho, Papa.
Kucho. Sit here. Naisha, come here. Sit. Photo this, sir. Sit. Not interested. She needs all stupid toys. She doesn't like toys, you know. She likes all these tools. Kitchen में से spoons, glasses, papa ka tools, biking tools, all that. She doesn't like toys and soft toys. Okay, now quickly let me go to the gym and come. Time is, oh shit, 5 minutes late. I have a lot of important work to do today. My bike panniers are finally here, and next week we have to travel, dude. I need to get my panniers because there's a lot of important stuff in it. Let's quickly go to the gym, hit the gym, and I'll see you guys. Done with my workout. Now I have to go home and give Naisha a ride. She'll be waiting for it. Good workout. I'm really glad my hair is back. Couple of people said, dude, you're losing your hair. But I was not worried that time when I was losing hair. I'm not saying now it's completely back, but it's much better, right? Don't you see it? It's much better. When I was trying for the 6-pack before that time also I lost a lot of hair. And once I stopped my workouts completely and started eating properly, then everything came back. Only thing is fat also came back. I became like so bulky. Even now I'm under a caloric deficit, but it's better. Reason being, workouts have gone down a little bit. That means stress levels have gone down a little bit. I think March 6th or 7th onwards I'll start working out like next level. Let's go Super Saiyan mode and I'll be achieving that ripped, like proper ripped 6-pack, and we'll do a photo shoot as well for that. Just wait for it. But yes, definitely hair loss will happen again. This is not a permanent fix. 90% your hair loss and all that is directly connected to your diet, your lifestyle and all that. But also you have to take care of it from the outside as well. Condition it properly, nourish it properly with the right things. You'll have good hair. And if you're someone who is like me, who has like dry scalp and dandruff and all that, try Mama Earth's tea tree oil. It definitely works. Right now, no dandruff at all. It is there, but definitely much better. It's infused with tea tree and ginger oil. It's got antifungal, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It treats dandruff, and more importantly, it makes your hair follicles receptive to nutrition, promoting overall hair growth. Also, it's got ginger oil whose antiseptic properties help reduce the infections and dandruff on your scalp. Also, with this nice comb-like design, you can apply the hair oil evenly throughout the scalp. So all Mama Earth products are made of natural ingredients. They are all chemical free, and every time you buy from them, they will link your order on their website to a tree that they plant. You see, their aim is to plant at least 1 million trees by 2025. That's a great thought, and we can be a part of it. Also, they are plastic positive, which means they recycle more plastic than they use. Almost like 120 metric metric tons per month. They also make different types of oils like argan oil, onion hair oil, and bringamla hair oil. Depending on your skin type, your hair type, you can use that hair oil. Don't forget to use my coupon code SRIMAN2021 to get flat 20% off. Also, these products are available at Mamaearth, Flipkart, and Amazon. Now let's go get my tires. Em gola ra babu. Ido construction aitane untadu ma gallila. It's better I sit like this inside the car and vlog so that we don't have aeroplane disturbances. As a couple of people asked me what happened to my iPad. I bought it. I'm using it like actively. More than me, my dad uses it for his work and all that. Today I have some important yet boring Excel sheet work. So Excel is really good in this. So I thought I'll take it. You see Excel? Are you able to see it? It is very nice to use Excel on this. I have some things to do, official work. So I'll be taking the iPad. Also, I'm taking my Shubath helmet. I wanted to do a test ride of the you might not guess this. Actually, I wanted to test ride the new Tiger Rally Pro because I wanted to properly start comparing Adventure Tourist now for my next purchase. I've tested in the Tiger Pro before. I don't remember how it feels. Especially, I wanted to compare it to my older generation 2017 version. I have this one in mind. I know you guys are thinking, why not the 1250 GS? Definitely there in my mind. Only thing is budget is like super crazy. 26 plus lakhs. That to putting on accessories and all that is gonna go to 27, maybe 28 lakhs. For now, my budget is very, very tight. Tiger Rally Pro, I think on road is gonna be 19 to 20 lakhs. Now let's go to the showroom. Actually, I got my panniers literally like 3-4 days back. They called me and told me they're here. It is a little bit late. I don't know why. Bike to jaldi aa gaya, but somehow panniers got really late. Almost more than a month, dude. We shipped it around 9th or 10th of Jan. We thought it's gonna be here in another 2 or 3 days, so I left a lot of my important stuff, tools and all that inside those panniers. So I thought let's go finish this work first. Chalo, this is the fastest I've ever reached to Triumph within like 37 minutes. That too with the highest mileage in the Seltos 11. Whenever I talk about the mileage, it will go down. It was 11.6, abhi it shows 11.5. Moment of truth. Hopefully there are no damages. Upar se to I don't see any damages. Oh, I forgot, there is one damage. I have to show you that. The guy who hit me from behind, the Scorpio wala, that damage is there. I think that is on, not this one, the other one. Yes, this is the damaged pannier. So this was on the left side. I mean, you can't make it out much. So this is the damaged pannier. From outside it looks perfect, but this is the part. This is where the Scorpio hit. So when it hit, it was all fine. But when I was trying to open the latch, it was not opening properly. I mean, you can open it, but closing it was a task. Arre, keys marchpenara. Okay, I'll go home and I'll show you that. But anyways, it is bent from here a little bit. Camera, I can't show you in the camera, but can you see? Is it bent? It's difficult to see like that. But once you open, it takes a different shape. ఇప్పుడు ఈ పైన బాగానే ఉంది కాబట్టి దాన్ని పట్టుకొని ఉంచింది. ఇది లేపగానే ఇది కొంచెం ట్విస్ట్ అవుతుంది. Sitting first time on the bike definitely feels tall. Not first time, this is the second time I'm sitting on the Rally Pro. Yeah, but comparing it to my Tiger, obviously it's like an XCA variant, so it's gonna be tall. And somehow this bike is, you know, springy like that. So let's take it for a spin. I've taken it before, but still, like properly, let's test ride it today because I might make a decision in if there is time, at least a month or 2. You know, one thing for sure is this is definitely value for money, yaar. I'll tell you why. I think this is 19 lakhs on road, 19 point change, and you literally get every damn thing on it, yaar. Somehow I'm getting tempted to go for the Triumph Tiger once again. See, the only reason I'll not be going for the Tiger is because I've already owned one. Pura India Guma Tiger pe. So only for that reason I wanted a different brand. If you Talk about value for money. 19 lakhs, I'll tell you what all you're getting. So Charan, I did a quick test ride of.
Friday.
No.
ఇంకేమన్నా ఇప్పుడు కొత్త స్పీడ్ ట్రిపుల్ అప్పుడే రాదు.
What am I looking at?
అచ్చా 1250 యూఆర్ లుకింగ్ అట్
Public expectations are ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి.
అరే ఎవ్రీవన్స్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ 1250 టు.
I'm also expecting that, but budget is too much, dude. 26 lakhs for a two-wheeler is like, I mean, if you have money, that is the best, but
బట్
26 lakhs.
ఐ నో బట్
Apart from accessories.
యు హ్యావ్ మనీ
I now know that is see the way he's smiling only, you can understand. You have money. I test rode the Tiger Rally Pro. I did it before, but that was a couple of months back, so I want to do a back-to-back ride from my Tiger to this one. It's nice. You're getting a full package, 19 lakhs on road it seems. You're getting heated grips, heated seats, front and back, TPMS, Stylema brakes. But still, I'm yet
యు ఆర్
to.
నాట్ యాజ్ ఇంప్రెస్డ్ యాజ్ యు వర్ విత్ అదర్ బైక్స్. ఇట్స్ గుడ్ బట్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ దేర్.
See, the problem is with the whole group, we've ridden all the bikes, and the group has all the bikes like Ducati, Honda, BMWs, Triumphs, Multistrada V4.
S1000R,
Ducatis somehow they look good, but I'm not a fan of riding Ducatis.
S1000R.
See, that's what I don't want a 4-cylinder. I want a 3-cylinder or 2-cylinder this time. I'm pretty sure I want a 1250 GS. Only thing is budget. BMW Motorrad India. Dear BMW Motorrad India. My name is Sriman Kotaru. If you're looking for some influencer, అంటే ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సర్ అంటే కొంచెం కన్సెషన్ కొంచెం మాకు
సరే
విల్ మార్కెట్ ఇట్ ప్లీజ్.
కోసం ప్యానియర్ లో 1 లక్షకి ఇస్తాం రా బై.
ఫ్యాంటసీ కొనుక్కుంటారా పోయి. ఆన్ అ సీరియస్ నోట్, ఇఫ్ ఐ కెన్ గెట్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ డీల్ ఆన్ ద 1250, మేబీ ఐల్ కన్సిడర్ దట్. బట్ 26 ప్లస్ యాక్సెసరీస్, దట్స్ గోనా బి టూ మచ్.
వన్ జెన్యున్లీ బిగ్ క్వశ్చన్.
వాట్సాప్ చైతన్య.
వాట్సాప్ బడి ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తుంది?
లేదురా, ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. బై ద వే ఐ టెస్ట్ రోడ్ ది టైగర్ ర్యాలీ ప్రో.
సో టైగర్ ర్యాలీ ప్రో ఇస్ దట్ న్యూ మోడల్. No, Tiger Sport is a new model.
Tiger Sport is a new model, and I'm kind of liking it. The only reason is 1250 GS. I'm feeling like it's too expensive. I mean, if I have the money, I wouldn't think. Chup-chap, I would take the 1250 GS.
Value for money, like
Yes.
For how much you're putting in, you don't think GS is giving you as much.
Correct. And the kind of rides we do and all that.
1250 is the best one.
No doubt.
If
King.
you can
That is
afford
the
it,
king.
you
Yes.
should get it.
That's
If
what
you
I'm saying.
can't afford it, then you have to start looking at alternatives. So you can eliminate the 1250 directly.
I want to eliminate it. I want to.
Eliminate it.
Heart wants it. Brain wants to eliminate it because of the price.
What about the new 1100 Africa Twin?
Yes, everyone is suggesting this. So that is the reason I test rode the Rally Pro today, because that is a direct competitor to this one, the Africa Twin, the new one. 3 lakhs.
బా చూపిరా, మ్యాప్ చూపిరా, వెయిన్స్ వచ్చుంటాయి. I would want you to buy the best one, because you're into touring. You'll get like న్యాయం చేస్తావు, like you'll do justice to the bike.
Yes, I'll ride it. If I
Yeah.
have the bike, I'm going to ride
Yeah,
it
exactly.
properly. No doubt.
So I think if you can, try to go for it, because then that's a keeper for life. You don't have to worry about it. There are ventilated seats, Anjay.
You don't have it in Tiguan, you know that.
Like all manufacturers should just have this. This is like
I put it in full high.
Hyundai వాడి ఒక్క ఫీచర్ మాత్రం భలే ఇస్తారా వాడి కార్స్
Ventilated
అన్నిట్లో.
seats. Arey, by the way, this car needs ventilated seats, especially when you have seats like this. Otherwise, you sweat a lot. Now I understand
What do
why
you mean by seats like this?
this seat is. I mean, it doesn't breathe, right? It's not fabric, so you sweat a lot.
ఆల్ కార్స్ అదే కదా మరి.
I don't know. My Verna has fabric seats, so it breathes a lot.
Fabric seats.
Charan, Benelli. That's when we all became friends. అరే ఏ షోరూమ్ ఎక్కడ పోతున్నాం, ఏ కాన్సెప్ట్ పోతున్నాం?
జూబ్లీస్ మనం ఇప్పుడు మొన్న వెళ్ళిందే.
ఓకే బాయ్.
ఓకే సార్. I finally got my panniers, but the main question, do these, I know they are damaged and all. First let me take them in, I'll show you the crack and all that. No, this is intact, this is fine. I literally closed, shut this, locked it in Delhi Triumph on 4th Jan 2021. Oh, my riding gear is also in this. Why is it wet? Don't tell me that this is the rain that we had last day in Delhi and it still didn't dry. That shows how airtight these panniers are. It's still wet, chee. And it is stinking now. Not like really bad, but definitely need to wash these. Luckily these are aluminium. If this was steel or something, definitely we would have rust. I can see a little bit of fungus formation inside. Damn. I need to wash this whole shit there. Shit. Climb riding gloves biscuit. Full moss fungus shit. Triumph riding gloves biscuit. I'll do one thing. I'll take this dabba directly down and I'll wash it. अभी इसमें क्या है देखेंगे. Oh yes, this is the damaged pannier box. It's not like really damaged that much, but I'll tell you what happened. So the stupid driver, he tried to overtake me, which is not required at that moment. Did that and he thought there's no panniers, it's just a bike because usually bikes are like slim. He didn't expect that this is gonna be wide with panniers and hit it right here. You see these scrapes? Also check out the biceps. You see this? It's so loose. Now I'm locking it. Kuch so teda hai. Shouldn't be so easy. It should be very tight and it should pull everything towards it. Oh, my riding boots. Okay, I did not put anything wet in this so it doesn't smell. The oats box is here. Yes. Hamara peanut butter and some supplements. My Apple Watch ka charger. But luckily my friend had one more charger so I borrowed it from him. Oh, now let me show you what's the major damage on this. See, everything looks fine, right? It closes. It's nicely locking up. Perfect. This looks perfect, but there is a small crack. See that? That is a crack. Can be fixed. I'll be putting some Araldite or something like that which will bond it forever. I'll check with Triumph if they can change this whole casing. This whole part. Not a major thing. I thought it's gonna be worse. Actually, because it was bent like properly, you know, especially this part. Later I pulled everything together and locked it. So it started taking the shape properly because it was left like that for almost 30 days or more than 30 days. So I think it's back to normal. Perfect. I think it's all perfect now. It will fit on the bike as well. So we are good to go. I'll leave the panniers here itself. I'll not be taking them and putting them up because upcoming ride is literally in next 4 or 5 days. I'll have to start packing once again. Chalo then, I hope you guys have liked this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.